Hi everyone, it's Ambika here, a third prof MBBS student. So as I said in my shorts video कि मैं skin barrier के बारे में बताऊंगी. So here is the video. What is basically skin barrier? So skin barrier has these three layers. Okay, so the uppermost layer is mainly called the skin barrier, that is the outermost layer, which is the epidermis. Then there is dermis, then there is subcutis. Okay, in the epidermal layer, there is a line which separates it from the dermis layer, which is called the basement membrane. Near that line, there are some cells. Okay, these cells slowly after maturation go up, and on the outermost layer of the epidermis they lose their nucleus. That is, every cell we know that have nucleus. If they have nucleus, they are dividing. If they are not having any nucleus, they are not gonna divide further. So when they are going up and up, they lose their nucleus, and when they reach the superficial layer, that is the stratum corneum, they lose their nucleus, and due to which they form a layer, few millimeters of thick layer, which is called the basically the skin barrier, which prevents the transepidermal water loss. That is, आपके जो स्किन के अंदर वाटर होल्डिंग कैपेसिटी होता है ना, वो लॉस नहीं होने देता वाटर को, और बाहर से कोई एलर्जेंस या फिर कोई इन्फेक्शियस एजेंट्स को अंदर नहीं आने देता. So it has a structure. So this cells, this after the cells are going from basal layer to the superficial layer, they are called as corneocytes from the keratinocytes. Okay, after losing the nucleus, those corneocytes are linked together बाई डेस्मोजोम्स. दैट इज़ हमारा जो ग्लू होता है ना, तो सेल का सेल टू एक ग्लू होता है विच इज़ डन बाय द डेस्मोजोम्स. सो डेस्मोजोम्स इसको कनेक्ट करके रखता है. सो दिस सेल्स कॉर्नियोसाइट्स आर कॉल्ड द ब्रिक्स, and there should be a mortar also. The desmosomes is one of the mortar, and another mortars is matrix में हमारा बहुत lipids होता है, that is ceramides. Then proteins भी होता है like keratin, filaggrin. Okay, these are very important for holding these cells together and maintaining the integrity of the स्किन बैरियर. सो हमारा जब क्या होता है, स्ट्रेस में होते हैं हम, सो हमारा कॉर्टिसोल निकलता है, इन्फ्लेमेशन होता है, या फिर बाहर से हम ओवर वॉशिंग कर रहे हैं फेस को, फिर एक्टिव्स ज़्यादा लगा रहे हैं बिना कुछ सोचे, बिना कुछ हमारे स्किन के बैरियर को ठीक किए. वी आर नॉट यूजिंग एनी सेरामाइड वाला क्रीम्स or anything topically which will heal our skin barrier simultaneously along with the actives. हम सिर्फ स्क्रबिंग करते ही जाते हैं. फिर यूवी एक्सपोजर क्या करता है, एक मैट्रिक्स मेगालोप्रोटीनेज एंजाइम को एक्टिवेट कर देता है, जो कि वो प्रोटीन्स को, केराटिन, फिलाग्रिन, वो प्रोटीन्स को ब्रेक डाउन कर देता है. अगर वो प्रोटीन्स ब्रेक डाउन हो जाएगा, देन व्हाट विल हैपन, देन दी मैट्रिक्स का जो सेल्स है वो एक साथ ना रह के वो ऐसे सेपरेट हो जाएगा. सो अंदर कुछ भी अच्छे से घुस सकता है, द इन्फेक्शियस एजेंट्स, सन रेज डायरेक्टली. देन अंदर से भी हमारा वो जो वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स है वो भी चला जा सकता है. सो दैट्स हाउ द स्किन बैरियर इज़ कॉम्प्रोमाइज्ड. एंड इफ़ दिस स्किन बैरियर गेट्स कॉम्प्रोमाइज्ड, आप कुछ भी लगाओ स्किन में, any skincare, any kind of makeup products will look bad on that, because your skin barrier is compromised. ये नहीं ले सकता ये सब. For that, what happens, we apply that ceramide wala creams, peptide things, so protein things, then lipid things we apply, so that there is a gluing of the cells together and the structure of the epidermis, superficial layer, gets maintained. Okay, if that dermis layer is also affected due to that blockage or breaking of the epidermal layer, then what happens, the dermis layer contains blood vessels, nerves, so blood vessels and nerves also get affected. This is how the whole skin layer will get affected if you're not taking care of your skin barrier. और अगर आप actives लगाए जा रहे हो without knowing about your skin barrier, without healing that, then it's a big mistake. So that's how it gets broken down. And just, yeah, I am very much curious about skin things, so I wanted to share, because I am having, or I was also having skin related issues all the time since my childhood. But since I have been into medicals, so now I am slowly discovering and sharing with you people what is the main concern about thing, why some people look good in makeups and some people doesn't look good in very expensive makeups, good quality skincare products also. So that's basically skin barrier. And other lifestyle activities are also there, proper sleep, proper eating, and all those things, you all know that. So I'll be making another video on that. But for now, the skin barrier, for the skin barrier, you have to have a regular skin barrier healing routine. You have to use a ceramide wala creams or lotions. Then also you have to stop exaggerating your skincare. That is, a lot of skincare products like layering 10 steps, 20 steps are there, which is completely unnecessary. There's no need of such things. Okay, skin is an organ also. जो हमारा हार्ट किडनी ये सब होता है ना, स्किन इज़ द लार्जेस्ट ऑर्गन. वो हमारे एक्सटर्नल एनवायरनमेंट से हमको बचा रहा है. तो वी हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ इट. बट ओवर डूइंग एनीथिंग is, of course, it's called obsession, toxic obsession. Okay, so we have to stop that. And that's how skin barrier works. And the, yeah, I wanted to share this information only. So keep watching, stay tuned, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.